Hey guys, welcome back. For the past probably 3 months, my side of the office that I share with my husband is just so junky right now. And it's getting to the point it's ridiculous. And I try cleaning it up, but the storage that I use is not working. I think I just have too much stuff in here. And so I decided to do a video of me cleaning this out and getting it back to the way it should look. And let me show you what my office looks like. Okay, so this is my side office. As you can tell, it's ridiculous. I mean, papers everywhere. It's just gotten out of control. Oh my gosh, it's such a mess. And it was organized, but between birthdays and school ending and just summer, I mean, I got boxes of stuff I haven't even opened yet. My binders, I mean, it's ridiculous. So I decided that it's time to do a clean out. This is my husband's folding table right here, and I use it for now, but I just don't like it. I need a desk with drawers, so I can store my office supplies, because right now they're all in there. I mean, over here I got all these office supplies, and then in here I have more stuff, and then in there and down here, I mean, and I have my art supplies, so I'm going to revamp this space and make it look better and more organized, and just stay for the journey if you're willing. Okay, so it's the next day. I had a function I had to go to yesterday, so I didn't get to it, but as you can see, this is my side of the office. As I said earlier, I share with my husband, and he takes care of his side, I'll take care of mine. And so as you can see, I'm just going to pan down so you can see how, the floor, I mean, it's really ridiculous, especially over here. This is anyway, so I plan on, I don't want to get overwhelmed, so I'm just going to, I have to section things off. So I'll probably, I need to do this area first, because this is the biggest mess that I have to deal with. I always have the saying, "Eat the frog." It's a book. I'll put somewhere on the screen the author of this book, but basically it's saying, do the hardest, the one task you just dreading, do that first, and then everything else will be easier. So they say, eat that frog. So for me, this is the bullfrog. So I'm going to deal with this first, and then I'm going to deal with those. So let's get started. Okay, so this desk area is cleaned out. I'm not gonna deal with the walls right now because it's not like a deep clean. It's just more of an organization clean. You know what I mean? So I'm about to take you out here and let you see where I put everything on the desk. I'm gonna clean all this stuff out and get everything back in and get organized. Okay, guys, I finished cleaning out my side of the office. I just pretty much organized and got rid of some stuff. And I just wanted to let you see from afar. So this one looks like, looks a lot better, less clutter, and I'm going to just show you up close what I did. Okay, so we're going to start on the floor. These are my kids' school supplies. I actually did a video on my school supply haul, and I'll link that description down below. But I'm leaving the box here because this is going to be gone in about 2 weeks. The kids have 2 more weeks of summer vacation, then they go back to school. But over here, I put my binders. This basket right here, this basket right here was on this side, but I decided to put over here because I don't really need easy access to it. But in there is where I keep my vinyl, my iron-on vinyl for my Cricut machine, and I have a binder in there as well. On top is where I keep my table light. My kids mostly use this. It's from Light. It's a table light for when they're drawing or copying. So I keep that on there. And then on the desk, I cleared off everything. I keep my Cricut machine on the desk. These are stacks of papers that I have to go through later on today. This is another Light that I have. That's like my desk light. And then I have my computer, and that's pretty much it for the desk. Okay, so over here I keep my pens and pencils, all my writing utensils up here. I keep my cardstock paper in this container. I got that container from Michael's about 3 months ago, and it works great. Down below, I decided to make it a little personable, so I have a picture of my kids when my youngest son was born. Over here is where I keep my Bible and my journals. I read my Bible almost every day, and I journal every day. So I keep those there so I can get easy access. This container here has extra cords, which I don't know where it goes to, so I'm leaving that for my husband to decide where it goes to. If he doesn't know, then I'll probably just donate them. Down here, I keep this. This is the one binder I always use a lot because that's our bill binder. We keep our bills, and I keep record of everything we pay. I keep markers. I keep 2 or 3 books that I'm reading. This one, the IKEA catalog for 2019 came out, so I'm going through that. This is a book that it's actually from Clutterbug. She has a YouTube channel. She wrote this. Actually, I think she already has another book out since this one. So I'm looking at this book currently. I don't really read it cover to cover. I just get for ideas, so I keep it here. So I'm reading that. And this is something I ordered that I plan on implementing when our kids go back to school. It's from Semicore Charging Station. I discovered this from another YouTuber, Happily Housewife, and when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. So I got this for for our family, which I will be implementing when school starts. So I'm just keeping it here for now. Well, let's just put it on the desk for now. In here, I keep all my extra art supplies. I have a art closet, craft closet, but these are the better markers and stuff. And I keep it here because my daughter, London, she's my creative child, so I leave the extra markers and stuff in here. In here's extra cords and chargers that I keep in here, our gel pens. And down here is where I keep, and this pouch has extra pencil holders, so I didn't have to buy any this year. So I keep the extra ones away. I keep the extra ones in here. I keep my laminator, my paper cutter, and laminated sheets in there. And actually this in here holds my mic. I have a small mic that I use sometimes, so I decided to keep it in here. It's kind of a hard shell. Over there in this is another pencil box that's for my daughter, my youngest daughter, and I also have little knickknacks, but I mostly keep my receipts in there. And then I have something I ordered. I think those are puck lights that I ordered. More paper, and in this tackle box here is where we keep our batteries. So the kids know they want a battery. It's in here, and I keep it pretty stocked so I never run out. And sorry guys. over here, we always keep this chair in here. This is an extra Bible that my husband gave me, but I'm not crazy about it, so we decided to just bless somebody with it. So, but we always keep this chair in here because our kids come in here and they want to sit sometimes, so we have this in here. That is actually a wrapping paper holder, but I actually keep my ring light and my tripod stands in there. But that's pretty much it. It looks so much better. Well, now I gotta put this stuff away, you know, but I didn't want to, you know, jiggle the camera just to get it in there. As you can see early in the video, I had my hair down, but there's no AC in here in this room, so it got so hot. I was like, okay, I gotta put the hair up. That is my decluttering of my office. Again, I share the space with my husband. He keeps up his side, I keep up my side, and my side was so junky. It looked like a junk pit, and I couldn't take it no more. So it looks good. I was able to declutter, get rid of some stuff. I had some containers here that I was holding on to but wasn't using, so I decided to just give them away. As I said earlier, I didn't do anything with the wall because those are papers I kind of need in place right now so I can get to it. But probably later on when school starts, you know, some of this stuff will come off because it's actually for, some of it's for school and some of it's a lot of my daughter's artwork. But, you know, when it's such a great feeling after you clean up your space and it's decluttered. And I always say that, you know, at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. So this may not be great for someone else, but it's great for me, and that's all that matters. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I would love to have you as a new subscriber, so before you leave, click that red subscribe button down below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have any ideas of what other videos you want me to do, just put a comment down below. I do DIYs, I do hauls, I do decluttering. But yeah, these are things I enjoy doing. So thank you guys for watching, and until we meet again, have a very blessed day.